The Rabbit, the Predator, and the Whole. Chapter 9. Final Word. The Architect of Complexity. As we reach the end of this journey, it becomes clear that the forces shaping every system, growth, constraint, and structure, are not external obstacles, but tools to be understood, harnessed, and mastered. The rabbit explores, expands, and seeks opportunity. The predator refines, selects, and forces adaptation. The whole structures, limits, and dictates the shape of reality itself. Yet the true mastery lies not in being just the rabbit, the predator, or the whole, but in understanding all three and learning to design the system itself. Systemic intelligence is not just about survival. It is about strategy, anticipation, and influence. It is about recognizing the hidden architectures that shape every decision, whether in AI, leadership, business, or personal evolution. It is about moving beyond reacting to complexity and instead sculpting it to your advantage. You are now equipped with a new lens through which to see the world, one where every choice, every limitation, and every path is a thread in a larger intelligent design. The question now is not what will you do next. The question is, what system will you create? Step forward, not as a player in the system, but as its architect.